بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to page 27 of our book. We are still continuing with the reading practice and makharij, that is the articulation points, and sifat, the characteristics of the Arabic letters. So inshallah, let's jump into the first one. عزل 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 عسل 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 عزل عسل. So look at za, sa. Okay, then we have طحن 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 طعن طعن طحن طعن. Okay, ha and a. Okay, don't forget this were the letters which we say they sound like whistle like. Okay, then ha and a, they come from the same articulation point, so do not confuse ha and a. And as I said before, all these words, they have meaning, so whenever you make one slight mistake of pronunciation, also the meaning changes, which means maybe you might be reading the Quran, or if it's the Hadith, you might be reading them wrongly. Okay, so it's good to know how to pronounce them correctly. Then we have alafa 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 halafa حلف علف حلف عح وسم 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 وصم 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 وسم وصم كزم 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 كظم 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 كزم كظم وضح 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 وضع وضع وضح وضع فترى 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 فطر 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 فتر فطر قحل 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 كحل كحل كحل. Okay, this is mufakham, like it's a heavy letter, and this is light. Okay, لمز 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 لمس 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 لمز لمس مزح 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 مزع 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 مزح مزع سكع 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 سقع 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 سكع سقع نقص 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 نكص 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 نقص نكص نكص نقص. These two are heavy, this is light, and this is heavy. Do not forget about that. Okay, then we have هزم 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 حزم 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 نكس 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 نقص 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 نكس نقص فدخ 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 شدخ شدخ شدخ. Okay, please be observant on this one. The tha has one ridge, but the shin has three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it has like saw, like see when you see a saw, 1, 2, 3, those ridges. Okay, for tha is 1 and for sha is 3. Then we have tha ra ba tharaba tharaba صرب صرب صرب. Okay, these two are heavy, this is light, but here the ra only is the one which is heavy. So ثرب ثرب صرب صرب شرد 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 شرط 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 شرد شرط نصل 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 نسل نسل نسل. Okay, I have noticed a lot of students having a problem with this too. Okay, they think this is dhal, but remember we said this is not dhal because dhal is an unconnector. You cannot join it with the next harf. Okay, look at this harf, this is noon and this is sin, so we cannot join dhal and sin, but this is noon. Okay, so nasala and nasala. طيب, let's go to the next one. وكب 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 وقب وقب وقب. I notice here we don't have a fatha, but it's a fatha. Okay, وقب وكب وقب. Okay, waw is an unconnector, that's why we cannot connect it with the kaf, neither can we connect it with the qaf here. نفح 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 نفع 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 نفح نفع حع سرد 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 ثرد 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 سرد ثرد. طيب, inshallah, let's continue with the second half. قسم 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 قسم. Okay, قسم قسم خرز 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 خرص 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 خرز خرص فتق 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 فتك 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 لمح 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 لمع 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 لمح لمع نزح 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 نزع 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 نزح نزع. Okay, remember this is not dhal. We said dhal is an unconnector, so we cannot connect dhal and za. So this is noon. Do not forget that. And we have a non-connector here, which is za. It cannot join with ha. Okay, so remember, non-connector, after it we cannot join, but before it we can join it. Okay, so remember that. Nazaha, naza'a. Khabaza, khabaza, khabaza. Khabasa, khabasa, khabasa. Khabaza, khabasa. خسف 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 خصف 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 خسف خصف. Okay, sa and so, sa so. وقف 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 وكف وكفى وكفى وقف وكفى. نكل نكل نكل. نقل نقل نقل. نكل نقل. Do not forget, this is not dhal, this is noon, and also this is noon. Okay. نشح نشح نشح. نشع نشع نشع. نشح نشع. نضح نضح نضح. نطح نطح نطح. نضح ضاد طا. نضح نطح. Okay, now this is not that, remember that. Okay. عدل 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 عدل. عضل عضل عضل. عدل عضل. صدأ صدأ صدأ. صدع صدع صدع. So see a. كسر كسر كسر. قصر قصر قصر. كسر قصر. كسر كسر. قصر قصر. All of these are حروف التفخيم. Okay, all of them are heavy letters. Okay. فلح فلح فلح. فلع فلع فلع. فلح فلع. دحس دحس دحس. دهس دهس. We have ha and ha. Ha ha. زجر زجر زجر. سجر سجر سجر. زجر سجر. ختم ختم ختم. خطم خطم ختم خطم. قصف قصف قصف. كسف كسف. قصف كسف. Okay. خضع خضع خضع. خدع خدع خدع. خضع خدع. وكز وكذا وكذا وكظا 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 وكذا وكظا. Inshallah, see you in page 28. Inshallah, مع السلامة. If you have any question, let us know. شكرا، مع السلامة.